The POCO F8 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute performance powerhouse, slated for a global launch on November 26, 2025. It is expected to be powered by the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which is reportedly paired with a dedicated Vision Boost D8 chip for enhanced AI super resolution, and this formidable combination has allegedly propelled it to a record-breaking Antutu score. The device is rumored to feature a large, high-resolution LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a massive battery capacity supported by incredibly fast 100W wired charging. For multimedia, POCO has confirmed a premium audio experience with a 2.1 speaker system tuned by Bose, while the camera system is speculated to be a versatile triple 50MP setup. Completing the package, the phone will reportedly run on HyperOS 3 based on Android 16, making it one of the most anticipated performance-centric flagships on the horizon.